Hi, I'm Roger. I'd like to share a short video showing the Kids Hope Alliance Opportunity Index that we are currently performing validation testing on as of July 3rd. So to start with, we have um, the Opportunity Index Overview tab, an asset map, and an opportunity breakdown. Let's start with the index overview. It defaults to the entire collection of census tracts and districts for the city of Jacksonville, and it's based on a census tract uh, division or recording of information. However, the typical way to use this index would be to choose a city council member or district. Let's go with Joyce Morgan District 1 for starters. And then we will have that district appear. As you see, the census tracts for each section of the district are now displayed. And we're seeing an opportunity index as that bottom percentile in the little rectangular box. And that's telling us what if you will, the opportunity to improve the situation for risk for children in that area are. There's a number of other metrics that are viewable here. To start with, the number of youth in the district as of this update was 16,214, and you see a breakdown by age groups under that. The average opportunity index for this entire district is 59% versus 50 for the county. Down here we see a hexagon which shows our six primary metrics of health, early learning, education, financial stability, family environment, and neighborhood safety. Then superimposed on this is a hexagon, or on the hexagon is a gray colored segment which indicates the degree of opportunity or risk for those separate metrics. The larger the gray area or the closer it gets to any one metrics, the greater the opportunity to improve risk would be. To support these metrics, we actually have data shown here behind each of these icons. For health, we see percent of tracts labeled food district, or percent of youth with insurance coverage, percent of households receiving SNAP, percent of youth with a disability. For early learning, 48 average kindergarten readiness for local is a value that we give for that metric. Number of VPK facilities in the neighborhood, percent of youth enrolled in early learning. And then in education, we have various metrics that support ELA achievement, math achievement, percent available DOE points, etc. Financial stability for the district, we see the average median income is $40,432, and percent of families in poverty, 20%, and so on. Family environment, percent of adults with high school or without high school diplomas, 12%, and so on. We see neighborhood safety. These are crime statistics, number of crimes in the period that we have information for, 3,417. Number of DJJ touches, 580. And as we compare that to another district, we'll see those change considerably. So if we go to District 9, we notice first that the gray area has increased in most areas or most metrics. We see we have 13,685 youth, an average opportunity index of 81% for this district, which includes these census tracts. Again, we'll have the same types of metrics up here now showing for District 9, and we see that's a lower average median income. We'll see a larger number of recorded or reported crimes. Now then, so this gives you an overview of the opportunity index overview. Let's go to the asset map. And here we'll show you KHA assets, which is currently what we're performing baseline validation testing for. If I wanted to see summer camps, right now we're testing with data from 2018. Summer camps in District 8, I can see that we have various summer camps. Garden City had a funding amount for 2018 of $48,000. We see their address and the name of their program, and we'll have that for each of the camps in the district. And if we wanted to try another district, let's try Scott Wilson. And here we just have three. Windy Hill Community Center, $4,500. Southwind Villas, $48,000. Cornerstone, $72,000. And so if we wanted to change and see after school programs, I could click here. We also have filters up here that would do the same thing. And then I will change this to, let's say, District 9. We see there's quite a few of the summer camps in this area, or I should say after school programs in this area, and we see the funding amounts. And sometimes they can be close due to geographic proximity. SP Livingston is very close to Eugene Butler, and so you kind of have to be careful when you spot icons that are that near one another. And so that is how the asset map works. We can also see schools, and and those will pop up in a moment. And maybe we don't have any of these listed here. So we're still in the test phase of this one, and I haven't been looking at those. So we'll come back to that after a while. And then we have the opportunity breakdown. So this is showing us the the greatest opportunity index options would be for District 9 at 81%, and we do remember that was the poverty index for District 9, and the lowest would be for District 3 at 12%. And we can hover over each of these and see the actual numbers. And so that is a quick overview of the opportunity index. Again, this is still in validation testing, so we're not quite ready to release this publicly. Some of our near-term plans will include placing this on the web so that the Tableau maps and graphics can be seen over the internet. Right now, you have to have the public reader installed on your computer to see this, so that's why it's easier for me to do a quick video. Again, this is coming out very soon, we hope, and there's going to be further development and phases adding to this. So this is sort of the phase one of the Kids Hope Alliance Opportunity Index. So thank you.